ULIP is a internship program run by Miami University to connect students with community-based organizations to kind of promote leadership and community advocacy through a summer internship. I chose Habitat for Humanity because of my passion for architecture and housing specifically. I think the lack of housing is pretty sad, that I think everyone should have a decent place to live, not just a place to live, but a decent place to live, and Habitat for Humanity is working towards that. The work that I do at Habitat for Humanity is a lot of different things. I work mostly with the critical repair department, the mortgage department, and the homeowner services department, doing a lot of different stuff. For the critical repair department, I go out on home visits to kind of assess situations and check after the job is done and make sure we're helping as many people as possible. The most impactful part about my ULIP experience has just been the knowledge that I've gained going out and being with the people that work here. I've learned a lot about how housing works. I've gotten to meet architects and professionals in the architecture realm. Other artists and crafts that I do, like photography, and just trying new things has been really, really great for my growth. I feel like being a part of this internship has helped me just grow more passionate about the things that I'm passionate about. Seeing people and being active in helping people besides just wanting to help people and actually getting to do it now. So my ultimate goal at the end of this internship is to leave the organization better because of me being here. I want to take what I've learned here and take it into my career and ultimately help people forever.